Hey, what's up guys, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix the WhatsApp last seen not showing issue. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump straight into it. First off, let's check if your settings are properly configured. Open up WhatsApp and underneath your status it should show just now if your last seen is working correctly. If not, head over to the settings at the bottom right hand corner and select account, then privacy, and make sure that my last seen is set to everybody or my contacts. Now if you can't see someone else's status, it could be because they've changed it from public to private or blocked you. If that's not the case, try resetting the app. To do this, go to your phone settings, select general, then iPhone storage to find WhatsApp. Offload the app to reset it and clear the cache. After a few minutes, reopen the app and it should work fine. Last, check if your phone time and date is set correctly, because WhatsApp relies on this. Go to the settings and select general, then date and time, and make sure it says set automatically, or manually set it to the correct date and time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.